Hello students, now we are taking next problem, red death of partner. So it is from question bank, problem number 6 it is. A, B and C are partners. A, B and C are three partners in the partnership firm and they are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. Respectively, their balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018, balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018 was given here. Balance sheet ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So balance sheets they given here. Liabilities, sundry creditors 1 lakh, capitals they given 60,000 by A. 60,000 invested by A and B invested 1 lakh and C invested 40,000. A, B and C. 60,000, 1 lakh, 40,000. Reserves, under the liability heading only they given reserves 50,000 and on the assets side they given cash at bank 20,000, stock 30,000, sundry debtors 18,000, investments 70,000, furnitures 35,000, buildings 1,55,000 and balance sheet total here 3,50,000. Next adjustments they given. C died on September 30, 2018. Who died here? C, last partner. September 2018 means accounting year started with 1/4/2018 from this to this. Next one, partnership deed providing the following. First one, the deceased partner will be entitled to his share of profit up to the date of death, calculated on the basis of previous year profit. So previous year profit base ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಶೇರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆತ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಟೈಟಲ್ ಟು his share of goodwill of the firm calculated on the basis of 3 years purchases of average profit last 4 years. The profits for the last 4 years are given below. So 1450, 2014 50, 2015 60, 2016 70, 2017 80. Like this 4 years profits they given for the calculation of goodwill. They given like this 80,000, 50,000, 40,000, 30,000. 80,000, 50,000, 40,000, 30,000. Like this 4 years profits they given. Next line, the drawings of the deceased partner up to the date of death amounted to rupees 10,000. Totally they made the drawings. C partner made the drawings from the business up to the date of death, that is rupees 10,000. Total amount of drawings becomes 10,000. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 12% per annum and surviving partners means yaar continue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. Remaining partners agreed that 15,400 should be paid to the executors immediately. 15,400 immediately ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು and the balance is transferred to executors account. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದ 15,400 immediately and balance transfer to executors account. Transfer to executors account. 20,400 immediately by cash to the executor, and the remaining balance transferred to executor's account. Prepare seized capital account and executor's account also. Two accounts we have to prepare here by taking this information. So here like this, draw the lines to make columns for seized capital account. By preparing seized capital quickly, you have to come to know that how much amount is payable to executor. So for preparation of seized capital account, first you take capital. Which side it is? On the credit side, seized capital account means balance brought down. This capital balance is given in the balance sheet. Balance sheet is what? Seized capital is yes 40,000. 40,000 capital. After that you take interest on capital. Interest on capital. What's the rate of interest? They given in adjustment, that is 12% per annum. 12% per annum. For that you show the working note. First show the working note. First one, interest on capital. So what is the amount of capital? 40,000 and 12% per annum, and up to the date of death. How many months they are stayed in your business? From April to September. From April to September. April, May, June, July, August, September. By 6 months. 6 divided by 12. How much it becomes? 40,000 12% and 6 divided by 12. That becomes 24,000. Yes, no, it is 24,000, no? Just a minute. 2,400. It is not 24,000. It is rupees 2,400. You write here. Interest on capital becomes 2,400. After that, see the next adjustment. From starting you see that deceased partner will be entitled to share of profit up to the date of death. Share of profit up to the date of death means it is P&L suspense account. Suspense account. What is the amount? How much amount you have to take? That is from the adjustments accrued profit here, last year profit. So it is based on last year profit, no? So previous year profit becomes, so the given in the adjustment number 2, last 4 year profit they given. That last year profit 2017-18 profit is 30,000. 17-18. So adjustment program, second adjustment program, 2018, so 17-18 profit is 30,000. And they know that in the first adjustment, profit up to the date of death, it should be based on last previous year profit. Previous year means 17-18 only. So that is 30,000. Accrued profit. Accrued profit becomes on the base of 30,000. We calculate up to the date of death. Her share, his share of profit up to the date of death. Share means here, what is the share of retired, died person, deceased person? 2:1 is the ratio. And 1 is the seized ratio share, 1 divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5 into up to the date of death means 6 divided by 12. 6 divided by 12 is calculate how much it becomes. It is 3,000 rupees. P&L suspense account up to the date of death you have calculated here. That is 3,000. Next one. First adjustment is over. Next, second adjustment. Goodwill calculation is there. You should show the first goodwill on the credit side. Goodwill account. divide by 4. It comes 4 1 4 4 4 5 means 50,000. Rupees 50,000 is the average profit. By taking average profit, we calculate goodwill. Goodwill equals to 50,000 into number of years of purchase. How many numbers of years of purchase here? 3 years. 50,000 into 3 years of purchase. How much it comes? 50,000 into 3? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. So 1,50,000, it is a total goodwill of the firm's goodwill is. So you have to calculate his sealed share from the sealed share of goodwill from the out of 1,50,000 into 1 divided by 5 means 5,000. 30,000. 30,000 is the sealed share in goodwill. 1,50,000 ಒಳಗಿಂದ 30,000 sealed share ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So there should be entered here goodwill 30,000. Next one. Deceased partner up to the date of death. Drawings of the deceased partner up to the date of death. Drawing should be made on the debit side. How much drawings are made here? Up to the date of death. Total amount of drawings here 10,000. Now, so overall the adjustments are taken. Now surviving partners agreed that 15,400 should be paid to the executor immediately. First total it. All the adjustments are over here. So total amount. So what is the total amount? 85,400. Both sides 85,400. There is 10,000 rupees given. Another 75,400. 75,400. 15,400 cash immediately. It is to cash. Cash paid immediately. And remaining. Yes, we will do 75,400 minus 15,400. 60,000. 60,000 is transferred to executor's account. It is balancing here. Over. So one more account you have to prepare there. His executor's account. That is whose executor? C's executor. So you should mention the working note. Note on these working notes also in your book. After that, lastly, prepare executor C's executor's account. So in this account only you take postings from the partner's capital account. This is the partner capital account. Where executor account is from here? Here on the debit side. Executor's account is there. Now his posting is on credit side by C's capital account. C's capital account is 60,000. Only this much is in this account. And totally both sides 60,000, 60,000. And now balance carry down. So total ಎರಡು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 6 marks. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ. When they ask in the exam to prepare the C's executor's account, this is part of executor's account, on that time we should prepare calculate the goodwill, accrued profit. From that, this is partnership. So thank you. In this account, what you see in the extra work? What is that extra work you done here? That is goodwill valuation. When they given the past 4 years profit, last 4 years profit, and they may not give the direct goodwill amount, on that time we should calculate goodwill. You know that how to calculate the goodwill or evaluate the goodwill under average period method. Like that only you take the last year 4 years profit and calculate the average profit. After that, number of years of purchase you have to multiply for that average profit. After that you got the goodwill of the total firm, total goodwill of the firm. From that total goodwill you should calculate only decision partnership, and that should be mentioned here 30,000. And mattond extra work that is P&L suspense account 3,000 they had not given the directly profit ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ or valuation of the goodwill. Under that they given the last 4 years profit. In that last 2017-18 profit also they given. So on that basis we calculated here they given 30,000 last year 17-18 profit. So by taking this base you calculate this account. So you only calculate his share. Sorry, right? Also 1 divided by 6. Yes, no? 17-18 profit is 30,000 and you calculated his share up to the date of death only. Yes, no? Yes, it is up to the date of death. Into 1/5 into 1 divided by 6. That becomes 3,000. This 3,000 is mentioned here or recorded in the account as a P&L suspense account. Understood? And mattonu 15,400 immediately ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರ surviving partners. Surviving partners means A and B are the remaining partners of surviving partners. So they given cash 15,400 immediately to the executor, and remaining 60,000 is paid after or later on, that is to transfer executor's loan account. So this is the way to prepare seize capital account and seize executor's account. In seize executor's account, you only transfer the proceeds. Transfer the entries from this account, seize capital account to executor's account. So this is on debit side. Now it's taking on credit side mostly, and totally and make the balance. So like this, you prepare seize capital account and seize executor's account also. So in coming classes we have to learn some other problems on the death of partner only. This is compulsory on for the 6 marks, compulsory 6 marks ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು. It's and very easy to understand also and less time consuming also here. So that's why you should practice this like these problems, that is death of partners problem.